Water takes up around 71% of the earth. But why do millions of people in places such as Africa and even developed countries like the USA not have clean water?
70% of water is needed for food. When countries try providing for Right 25, water runs out. However, developed countries squander water on luxury foods such as beef, which wastes literally tons of water.
Population growth also has a major effect on lack of clean water. Because there are more mouths to feed, there's less resources if an economy keeps producing the same resources and a country keeps producing the same amount of food over and over again. There's a lack of water eventually because there are more people and less resources. So recently, a big problem when it comes to lack of clean water has been global warming over the years. Because global warming creates droughts and, in some cases, even floods. But the places that get droughts have no water to provide for all these people. So one of these government officials from one of the struggling countries goes over to developed countries and asks for help. And they say, no, unless you pay us. As a result, our leader is widely disliked, and this leads to political unrest, and the people say, hey, our leader's not helping us at all, our leader shouldn't be our leader, and this leads to protest and revolution. Might I add, this is exactly what happened with the Americans in the American Revolution. So, to maintain his leadership over the people and to keep people from protesting and eventually leading to revolution, our leader suppresses the people protesting to maintain his leadership over everybody, which violates Right 18, which states you have the right to believe anything you want.
Not having clean water impacts so many people and denies more of their human rights. One right violated is human right number 6, which states every person must be treated like a person. Not providing a source of clean water, like not giving a dog water when they want it, is not treating people like a human. Another right, such as Right 25, you have the right to food, shelter, and healthcare, is also denied. Obviously, because food counts as water and, food. The United States and developed countries aren't helping those without clean water. But you as the people can change this. You have rights, so wouldn't it be logical that others should have rights too? You can donate to causes or create your own to deliver clean water to other equals and to fulfill their human rights. Click on the link button on our webpage and click on one of those 3 sites that we say below.
If we don't start changing this global issue, it can and will get worse and there will never be a change. Clean water is a human need, and by giving that need to the people who need it around the globe, we are unlocking the door to solving every other global issue.